Ram 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 Sarvebhyah Hritpurvaka Namaskaraha. Welcome to class 3 of Learn to Chant Shri Raghuvira Gadyam. We have completed till Balakandaha, that is the first Kanda of Srimad Ramayanam yesterday. So today we will continue from the 21st line. Let us begin. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुणैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरो परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्यः कवितार्किककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि. Before we have a recap of what we learned yesterday, I thought I would just briefly answer some of the questions we received. So one of you had asked me about Mahapranaha. So as shown in this chart here, in Vargiya Vyanjanani, that is grouped consonants, the Mahapranaha are the second and the fourth letter of each Varga. So Kha, Gha, Cha, Jha, Tha, Dha, Tha, Dha, and Pa and Bha. In Avargiya Vyanjanani also, that is in the non-grouped consonants, which are Yara, Lava, Sha, Sha, Sa, and Ha, in those also we have Mahapranaha, and they are Sha, Sha, Sa, and Ha. But while chanting, I am only highlighting and underlining the Mahapranas found in Vargiya Vyanjanani to differentiate them from the first and the third letter. For example, if you take the first Ka Vargaha, Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha, Nga. So there's a difference. Ka, Kha, Ga, Gha. The first and the third, Ka and Ga, are Alpapranaha, and Kha and Gha, they are Mahapranas. To differentiate them, I am only highlighting the Mahapranas in the Vargiya Vyanjanani, whereas Sha, Sha, Sa, and Ha are also considered as Mahapranaha. So I hope that is clear. Then there was a question as to why is this a Gadyam? Now, we really won't have time in this particular webinar to go into the technical details of Gadyam, Padyam, Champuhu, etc. So, but I endeavor to answer this very much in brief. So it is considered a Gadyam as opposed to a Padyam. So a Padyam is basically poetry, or rather where we have the rules of meter being followed, like Chandaha. For example, you have Anushtup Chandaha. This shloka on your screen, Shriman Venkatanathāryah. This is in what we call Anushtup Chandaha, where there are 8 letters in each quarter, each pada, and there are many other rules also for each chandas. And you also have Upajatihi, Indra Vajra, Upendra Vajra. There are various forms of meters. So when it is a Padyam and it follows a meter, the rules of that particular meter have to be followed while composing. Like for example, this verse on screen follows Anushtup Chandaha and all the rules. So as opposed to a Padyam in that form, a Gadyam here our great Kavi here, Kavitarkika Kesari, Vedanta Deshikacharya. So without being bound by these meters or Chandaha, he has beautifully composed in a very musically and magically flowing prose. So as opposed to a Padyam, this is a Gadyam. And also one of you, I think couple of you asked me, what is the verb here? The verb is the first Sambodhana, Jaya Jaya. That is the verb. Jaya Jaya means may victory be to you. I mean, that is very loosely put in English. So Jaya is the verb. And in some of the texts, you also find Jaya Jaya being used for each Sambodhana. So for each addressing, Jaya Jaya is repeated. But we are only repeating it for the first time. So that may be taken for each of the lines. So that is the verb. And Tvam Jaya Jaya. Tvam is not here because some of you asked who are we addressing? What is the Kartripadam, Kriyapadam, etc. Therefore, I'm explaining this. So Tvam is taken as understood. And he ends the work with Te Namaha. Namaste, Namaste, Punaste Namaha. Tubhyam Te. That is salutations to you. Because when Namaha is used, the corresponding noun has to be in Chaturthi Vibhakti. So he ends the Gadyam in that way. And each line here has so much of meaning which is inbuilt into it. So this is not a meaning class, so I cannot go into it. But for example, just one line. Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava. There is so much of story in this particular line. It means how Dashavadana, that is all of you know, the 10-faced Ravana. So because he was terrorizing the Devas, they pleaded, and Vishnu was born as the son of Dasharatha to protect the Devas and the world from the torment of Ravana. So much meaning is there in just one particular line. So I urge all of you to please study Sanskritam. There are many courses in Vyoma, and many organizations also offer basic Sanskritam courses. So once you study Sanskritam, you will be in a better position to appreciate the meaning of each of the Sambodhanas, and any other work which you might study in Sanskritam. It becomes easier to appreciate if you learn the language. So let us begin. Yesterday we completed 20 lines. So I will quickly recap the 20 lines and then we will move to the 21st line. Welcome to our panelists, Aditi and Ishu, who will be helping us with the Anucharanam. Jayatya Santrasadvanta Vidvamsanodayah Prabhavan Sitaya Devya Paramavyoma Bhaskaraha. Jaya Jaya Mahavira Mahajira Dhaureya Devasura Samara Samaya Samudita Nikhila Nirjara Nirdharita Niravadhika Mahatmya Dashavadana Damita Daivata Parishadabhyarthita Dasharathi Bhava Dinakara Kula Kamala Divakara Divishadadhipati Rana Sahacharana Chatura Dasharatha Charamarana Vimochana Kosala Sutta Kumara Bhava Kanchukita Karanakara Kaumara Keli Gopayita Kaushikadhvara Ranadhvara Dhurya Bhavya Divyastra Vrindavandita Pranata Jana Vimata Vimathana Durlalita Dorlalita Tanutara Vishikha Vitadana Vighatita Vishararu Shararu Tataka Tatakeya Jada Kirana Shakaladhara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tata Natana Patu Vibudha Saridati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Padanalina Raja Upamridita Nija Vrajina Jahadupala Tanuruchira Parama Munivara Yuvati Nuta Kushika Suta Kathita Vidita Nava Vividha Katha Maithila Nagara Sulochana Lochana Chakora Chandra Khanda Parashuko Danda Prakanda Khandana Shaunda Bhujadanda Chandakara Kirana Mandala Bodhita Pundari Kavana Ruchiluntakalochana Mochita Janaka Hridaya Shankatanka Parihrita Nikhila Narapati Varana Janaka Duhitra Kuchatata Viharana Samuchita Karatala शतकोटि शतगुण कठिन परशुधर मुनिवर करधृत दुरवनमतम निज धनुराकर्षण प्रकाशित पारमेष्ठ्य क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ. Yesterday I said that we will learn this again, that with repetition. Aditi, please unmute. We will repeat this and then we will move to the 21st line. Kratuhara shikhari kanduka vihrityunmukha.
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख
जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त
जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त
दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल
दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल
दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल
दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल
रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति
सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तुदजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल
दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
Now let us try the entire line. Here, please note the Mahapranas, all of you. I explained yesterday also. And here, the second line, third line, please be careful. Jagadaruntu the jita haridanti danta dantu roronta dashavadana. It is very beautiful to hear also, to listen to the play with words. So, danti, haridanti danta dantu roronta. Be careful about the e, a, u and all that there. So let us recite the entire line. Kratuhara shikhari kanduka vihrityunmukha jagadaruntu dajita haridanti danta danturoronta dashavadana damana kushala dashashata bhuja mukha nripati kula rudhira jara bhara bharita prithutara tataka पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ
क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तु दजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ क्रतुहर शिखरि कंदुक विहृत्युन्मुख जगदरुन्तु दजित हरिदन्ति दन्त दन्तुरोरोन्त दशवदन दमन कुशल दशशत भुज मुख नृपति कुल रुधिर झर भर भरित पृथुतर तटाक तर्पित पितृक भृगुपति सुगति विहति कर नत परुडिषु परिघ.
Uttamam. Let us move to the next Ayodhya Kandaha. 21st line. Aditi, you can continue. Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya.
Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya. Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya.
Pitrivachana palana प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात
पितृवचन पालन प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात पितृवचन पालन प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात
यौवराज्य
यौवराज्य यौवराज्य.
Here Anrita Bhaya. Bha is Mahaprana. Please note. Anrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitrivachana Palana Pratignyavajnata. Palana Pratignya Dvitvam here. So second P is heard before Pratignyavajnata. Palana Pratignyavajnata. Anrita Bhaya Mushita Hridaya Pitrivachana Palana प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात यौवराज्य.
Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya pitrivachana palana प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात यौवराज्य. Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya pitrivachana palana प्रतिज्ञावज्ञात यौवराज्य.
निषादराज
निषादराज निषादराज.
सौहृद सूचित
सौहृद सूचित सौहृद सूचित.
सौशील्य सागर
सौशील्य सागर सौशील्य सागर.
निषादराज सौहृद सूचित सौशील्य सागर.
निषादराज सौहृद सूचित सौशील्य सागर. निषादराज सौहृद सूचित सौशील्य सागर
भरद्वाज शासन
भरद्वाज शासन भरद्वाज शासन
परिगृहीत
परिगृहीत परिगृहीत
विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि
विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि
कटकतट रम्यावसथ
कटकतट रम्यावसथ कटकतट रम्यावसथ
The Mahapranas in this are Bharadvaja, here Bha, Bharadvaja Shasana Parigrihita, Vichitra Chitrakuta Giri Katakatata, Ramyavasatha. Tha is also Mahaprana. Please note this word Katakatata. Here Ta and next letter is Ta. So please pay attention while reciting. भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूट गिरिकटकतट रम्यावसथ
भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि कटकतट रम्यावसथ भरद्वाज शासन परिगृहीत विचित्र चित्रकूटगिरि कटकतट रम्यावसथ
Next one also Aditi. Ananya Shasaneeya
अनन्य शासनीय अनन्य शासनीय
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित
पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक
पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक
निर्वर्तित
निर्वर्तित निर्वर्तित
सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित
पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम प्रणत भरत मकुट तट सुघटित पादुकाग्र्याभिषेक निर्वर्तित सर्वलोकयोगक्षेम
Here the Mahapranas are Bharata, Sughatita, Paduka, Griabhisheka. Bhi is Mahaprana. Please note this Paduka, Griabhisheka. This letter here, G, R and Ya. That is what we call a Sayuktaksharam, combined letter. It has multiple vyanjanani in it. So here there is g and r and ya, u plus a. So these letters which have multiple combined letters or sayuktaksharaani, please be careful while chanting them. Each and every letter in that should be heard. Now we will move to the next line. Aditi, you can continue. Pishita ruchi vihita durita.
Pishita ruchi vihita durita. Pishita ruchi vihita durita.
Valamathana tanaya.
Valamathana tanaya. Valamathana tanaya.
Bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shayana trina.
Bala bhuganugati sarabhasa. Bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shanaya trina. Bali bhuganugati sarabha.
Bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shayana trina.
Bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shayana trina. Bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shayana trina.
Shakala paripatana.
Shakala paripatana. Shakala paripatana.
Bhayachakita.
Bhayachakita. Bhayachakita.
Sakala sura munivara.
Sakala sura munivara. Sakala sura munivara.
Bahumata mahastra.
Bahumata mahastra. Bahumata mahastra.
Samarthya.
Samarthya. Samarthya.
Here, Pishita ruchi vihita durita vala mathana. Tha is Mahaprana. Vala mathana tanaya. Bali bhuganugati. Bhu. Bali bhuganugati. Sarabhasa. Bha is Mahaprana here. Shayana. Sarabhasa shayana trina shakala paripatana. Bhayachakita. Bha is again Mahaprana. Sakala sura munivara bahumata mahastra samarthya. Here samarthya, th, ya and r here. Here tha is Mahaprana. So we will repeat this. Pishita ruchi vihita durita vala mathana tanaya bali bhuganugati.
Pishita ruchi vihita durita valamatana tanaya bali bhuganugati. Pishita ruchi vihita durita valamatana tanaya bali bhuganugati.
Sarabhasa shayana trina shakala paripatana.
Sarabhasa shayana trina shakala paripatana. Sarabhasa shayana trina shakala paripatana.
Bhayachakita sakala sura munivara bahumata mahastra samarthya.
Bhayachakita sakala sura munivara bahumata mahastra samarthya. Bhayachakita sakala sura munivara bahumata mahastra samarthya.
Now the entire line. Pishita ruchi vihita durita vala mathana tanaya bali bhuganugati sarabhasa shayana trina shakala paripatana bhayachakita sakala sura muni bara bahumata mahastra samarthya.
पीशित रुचि विहित दुरित वलमथन तनय बलिभुगनुगति सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य पीशित रुचि विहित दुरित वलमथन तनय बलिभुगनुगति सरभस शयन तृण शकल परिपतन भय चकित सकल सुर मुनिवर बहुमत महास्त्र सामर्थ्य
द्रोहिण हर बलमथन
द्रुहिण हर बलमथन द्रुहिण हर बलमथन
दुरालक्ष्य
दुरालक्ष्य दुरालक्ष्य
शरलक्ष्य
शरलक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य
Next line. Druhina hara balamathana. Tha is Mahaprana here. Duralakshya. Please note the pronunciation. Duralakshya. Here ksha and ya both have to be heard. Duralakshya. Sharalakshya. Again this word, please note the pronunciation. Sharalakshya. Sha, ra, la and kshya. We will repeat this. Druhina hara balamathana.
द्रुहिण हर बलमथन द्रुहिण हर बलमथन
दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य
दुरालक्ष्य क्षरलक्ष्य दुरालक्ष्य क्षरलक्ष्य
द्रोहिण हर बलमथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य
द्रुहिण हर बलमथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य द्रुहिण हर बलमथन दुरालक्ष्य शरलक्ष्य
Okay, next issue. Thank you very much, Aditi. Well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Next line issue. दण्डकातपोवन
दण्डकातपोवन दण्डकातपोवन
जङ्गम
जङ्गम जङ्गम
पारिजात
पारिजात पारिजात.
This is such a beautiful way of addressing Rama. Each line, of course. So here, Vedanta Deshikacharya is comparing Rama to a moving Parijata tree. That is, Parijata tree is that wish-granting tree, which is moving in the penance grove, Tapovana of Dandakaranya. So there is so much of meaning. This is the beauty of Sanskritam, that just by using very few words, there is so much of meaning conveyed. And if you understand both Sanskritam and know the background of the incidents in Srimad Ramayanam, that is each of the incidents which are being referred to here, then you would be able to appreciate it much better. दण्डकातपोवन जङ्गम पारिजात
दण्डकातपोवन जङ्गम पारिजात दण्डकातपोवन जङ्गम पारिजात.
विराज हरिण शार्दूल
विराध हरिण शार्दूल विराध हरिण शार्दूल
विलुलित बहुफल
विलुलित बहुफल विलुलित बहुफल
मखकलम
मखकलम मखकलम
रजनीचर
रजनीचर रजनीचर
मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत
मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत
चीरभृदनुरोध
चीरभृदनुरोध चीरभृदनुरोध.
Here the Mahapranas here. Vilulita Bahuphala. Pha is Mahaprana. Makha Kalama. Kha is Mahaprana. Rajanichara. Mriga Mrigayarambha Sambhrita. Mriga Mrigayarambha. Bha is Mahaprana. Sambhrita. Bhr is Mahaprana. Chira Bhridanurodha. Bhr and Dha. Both are Mahapranas. One of you had asked me yesterday if la is there. I mean, we have gone through some versions where you have la being given in certain places, but after consulting our Sanskritam scholars in Vyoma, including Dr. Soumya Krishnabur Bhagini and others, so we have decided to keep it as la itself. So in some versions you have la, in some we know that you have la being given. Now, strictly speaking, in Sanskritam, that is in this Sanskritam, we only have la, there is no la. Whereas I learned that in Vedic Sanskritam, in some places la is used, but in the classical Sanskritam, which is used in this Gadyam, etc., we have only la. But sometimes due to regional influences, you do hear la being recited. La is there in some Indian languages, like I know it is there in Kannada, and Telugu, I'm not sure about others. But in Sanskritam, we only have yara, lava, shasha, saha. So we have decided to keep it as la itself while teaching you. There may be certain pathantaras, like I said in the first class, here and there some words might be given differently in certain versions. Vilulita bahuphala makhakalama. Issue?
इदानीं श्रूयते वा?
आं श्रूयते. विलुलित बहुफल मखकलमा.
विलुलित बहुफल मखकलम विलुलित बहुफल मखकलम
रजनीचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृदनुरोध.
रजनीचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृदनुरोध. रजनीचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृदनुरोध.
Now the entire line. Vilulita bahuphala makhakalama rajanichara mriga mrigayarambha sambrita chirabhridanurodha.
विलुलित बहुफल मखकलम रजनीचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृदनुरोध. विलुलित बहुफल मखकलम रजनीचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीरभृदनुरोध.
Next also issue. Trishirashirastritaya.
त्रिशिरश्शिरस्तृतय त्रिशिरशिरस्तृतय
तिमिरनिरास
तिमिरनिरास तिमिरनिरास
वासरकर
वासरकर वासरकर
here trishiraha shirastritaya. So when we combine the sandhi, sandhi refers to the rules of combining letters in Sanskritam. So when we combine the sandhi here, we chant it as Trishirash Shirastritaya. So instead of the Visarga, we chant Trishirash Shirastritaya. So I hope that is clear. Trishirash Shirastritaya Timira Nirasa Vasarakara. Trishirash Shirastritaya Timira Nirasa Vasarakara. Issue.
त्रिशिरशिरस्तृतय तिमिरनिरास वासरकर त्रिशिरशिरस्तृतय त्रिशिरशिरस्तृतय तिमिरनिरास वासरकर.
Once again.
त्रिशिरशिरस्तृतय तिमिरनिरास वासरकर
दूषण जलनिधि शोषण
दूषण जलनिधि शोषण दूषण जलनिधि शोषण
तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित
तोषित ऋषिगण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित तोषित ऋषिगण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित
विजय घोषण
विजय घोषण विजय घोषण
दूषण जलनिधि dha is mahaprana shoshana. So here you see both sha and sha coming next to each other. Like I explained in the first class, there is a difference in the pronunciation. Shoshana. So this is sha, this would be sho. Shoshana. So that slight difference, that subtle difference has to be made out. Toshita. Rishigana. There is no mahaprana in this word. Rishigana. Ghoshita. Gho is mahaprana. Ghoshita. Vijaya Ghoshana. Gho is again mahaprana here. Dushana Jalanidhi Shoshana Toshita Rishigana Ghoshita Vijaya Ghoshana.
दूषण जलनिधि शोषण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित विजय घोषण दूषण जलनिधि शोषण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित विजय घोषण
खरतर खरतरु
खरतर खरतरु खरतर खरतरु
खंडन
खंडन खंडन
चंडपवन
चंडपवन चंडपवन
here khara kha kharataru again kha khandana again kha chandapavana. So by now I think you all will be noticing how beautifully he has used these words and letters. So this alankara is so beautiful, which keeps coming in each line, which is why it is very nice to hear these and also to recite this gadyam. Kharatara kharataru khandana chandapavana
खरतर खरतरु खण्डन चण्ड पवन खरतर खरतरु खण्डन चण्ड पवन
धन्यवादाः इषु. Well recited. Next, Aditi. For the next line, please unmute. Dvisapta rakshasahasra.
द्विसप्तरक्षःसहस्र द्विसप्तरक्षःसहस्र
Nalavana vilolana.
नलवन विलोलन नलवन विलोलन
Mahakalabha.
महाकलभ महाकलभ
Here, Dvisapta rakshasahasra. Rakshaha sahasra. The visarga followed by sa. Again, by a rule of sandhi, that is the rules of combining letters. Instead of the visarga, we recite it as Dvisapta rakshasahasra. As comes, visarga sakara sandhi. We will not get into the technicalities of sandhi, but while reciting, please remember, we recite it as Dvisapta rakshasahasra. Nalavana vilolana mahakalabha. Bha is mahaprana. Dvisapta rakshasahasra nalavana vilolana mahakalabha.
द्विसप्तरक्षःसहस्र नलवन विलोलन महाकलभ द्विसप्तरक्षःसहस्र नलवन विलोलन महाकलभ
Asahaya shura.
असहाय शूर असहाय शूर
Anapaya sahasa.
अनपाय साहस अनपाय साहस
Uttamam. Aditi, well chanted. I think we will stop here for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the 37th line onwards. I will quickly revise the lines we have learned today. That is from 21 onwards from here. And if we have time left, you can raise your hands. I will call out your names, and whoever has raised the hand, I'll call out the name in that order in which it appears on my screen, and you can attempt reciting the Gadyam. So please raise your hand, all of you. You have raised the hand option. Whoever wants to recite, please raise your hand, and I will call out your names. Anrita bhaya mushita hridaya pitrvachana palana pratignyavagnata yauvarajya nishadaraja sauhrida suchita saushilya sagara bharadvaja shasana parigrihita vichitra Chitrakootagiri Katakatataram Yavasatha Ananya Shasaniya Pranata Bharata Makuta Tata Sughatita Padukagriyabhisheka Nirvartita Sarvaloka Yoga Kshema Pishita Ruchi Vihita Durita Balamathana Tanaya Bali Bhuganugati Sarabhasa Shayana Trinashakala Paripatana Bhaya Chakita Sakala Sura Munivara Bahumata Mahastra Samarthya Druhina Haravala Mathana Duralakshya Sharalakshya Dandakatapovana Jangama Parijata Viraja Harina Shardula विलुलित बहुफल मख कलम रजनिचर मृग मृगयारंभ संभृत चीर भृगनुरोध त्रिशिरशिरस्त्रितयतिमिर निरासवासरकर दूषण जलनिधि शोषण तोषित ऋषिगण घोषित विजय घोषण खरतर खरतरु खंडन चंड पवन द्विसप्त रक्षस सहस्र नलवन विलोलन महाकलभ असहाय शूर अनपाय साहस. So we have learned till here today. I see few of you have raised your hands. Let me just answer a few questions regarding pronunciation. Ksha ityasmat varnat param visargah sampurnataya uchyate iti niyamah va. Satyam Mahodaya, that is true. For example, in Bhagavad Gita, sama dukkha sukha kshami. So whenever visarga is followed by ksha, then we chant the visarga completely. Whereas when a visarga is followed by ka or kha, we have jihva muliya, like I said yesterday, antah karanam. But if a visarga is followed by ksha, the rule is to chant the visarga completely. I don't think we come across any such instance in this gadyam where a visarga is followed by ksha. If we do, then I don't think it is there in this gadyam. But of course, in Bhagavad Gita, etc., some verses, visarga followed by ksha, where the visarga is chanted completely. That is one of the rules of pronunciation. I hope that is clear. Yes, so now I will call out the names in, I think, how many minutes? 8 minutes. Let us start. We will go back to the first verse. If I don't call out your name today, please, do not think we are calling out in a particular order or anything. I just call out in the order in which it appears on the screen. You will definitely get a chance in the next class or in the following classes. Mahalakshmi Balaji Bhagini, please unmute. When I call out your name, please unmute, and after you chant, please go back to mute. Yes, this Shloka Bhagini. Namaste.
श्रीमान् वेङ्कटनाथार्य कवितार्तिककेसरी वेदान्ताचार्यवर्यो मे सन्निधत्तां सदा हृदि.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवादाः.
Next, Geeta Ashok Bhagini. Please unmute.
श्रूयते. नमस्ते भगिनी.
Namaste.
जयत्याश्रित सन्त्रासद्वान्त विद्वंसनोदयः प्रभावान् सीतया देव्या परमव्योम भास्करः. भास्करः.
Yes, the Mahaprana should be clear. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Next, Varun Aditya Mahodaya, please unmute.
नमस्कारः महोदय. जय जय महावीर.
You can chant. Yes, you can chant till the third line.
Okay. महाधीर धौरेय देवासुर समर समय समुदित निखिल निर्जर निर्धारित निरवधिक माहात्म्य.
Uttamam. Atyuttama Ritya Uttam. Very well chanted. So after this, we will announce when we will have an assessment, etc. for the course. Please practice, all of you. KVSS Iyer Mahodaya. Yeah. The fourth line, Mahodaya.
Dasavadana Damita Daivata Parishabhyarthita Dasaratita Bhava.
Parishadabhyarthita.
परिषदभ्यर्थिता
हाँ
परिषदा परिदर्शभ्यर्थिता परिषदभ्यर्थिता
हाँ next word
परिषदभ्यर्थिता
yes दाशरथी भाव
दाशरथि भावः दाशरथि भावः
bhava yes mahodaya
Yeah.
with practice everyone will be able to get it. You can also go on listening to the recording so that it might help you. Karthik Raghavan mahodayah, Karthik Raghavan mahodaya, please unmute.
नमस्कार
You could chant the 5th and the 6th line.
दिनकर कुल कमल दिवाकर दिविषधधिपति रण सहचरण चतुर दशरथ चरमरुण विमोचन.
So here Divisha Dajipati, the Alpa Prana Mahaprana difference should be clearer mahodaya.
Okay.
You could practice then
Dhanyavad.
it would be yeah dhanyavadaha. Shubhashri Bhagini, Shubhashri Bhagini, yes. The 7th line. You are unmuted, Shubhashri Bhagini, but we can't hear you. Okay, unable to hear. Venkateshwaran Gopala Mahodayah. Please unmute. 7th line.
कौसलसुता कुमार भाव कंचुकित करुणाकार कारणाकार कौमार केलि गोपायित कौशिकाद्भर
धन्यवादाः महोदय. Thank you. Next, Sai Ramanand Mahodaya, please.
Namaste, namaste, Bhagini.
Namaste.
Kathamasti. Kathamasti. Ma'am, which one I asked you to recite, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Please recite the 9th line. Ranadhvaradhurya.
Ranadhvaradhurya bhavya divyastra brindavandita.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Dhanyavadaha. Next line, 10th line, Nirmala Parthasarathi Bhagini. 10th line, please.
Ram Ram Bhagini. प्रणत जन विमत विमथन दुर्ललित दोर्ललित तनुतर विशिख विताटन विघटित विशरारु शरारु ताटका ताटकेय.
Uttamam Bhagini. Well recited. Next Vasundhara Narayanan Bhagini, a big line. Vasundhara Narayanan Bhagini.
Shruyate va? Namaste.
Namaste.
Jada Kirana Shakala Dhara Jatila Natapati Makuta Tata Natana Patu Vibhudas Saridhati Bahula Madhugalana Lalita Padanalina Raja Upamridita Nija Vrijina Jahadupala Tanu Ruchira Parama Munivara Yuvati Nota.
Well chanted Bhagini. Just 2 slight observations. The Mahaprana Alpaprana difference. Vibudha, only dha is Mahaprana. Saridhati Bahula, there is no Mahaprana here. That is not Saridhati. It is Saridhati Bahula. That slight, change there.
Saridati bahula vibhu
Yes.
vibudha
Yes, vibudha.
Vibudha saridati bahula.
Yes, perfect. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Very happy to hear all of you. Like I said, I'm very sorry I will not be able to call out all your names. I know there are many more who have raised your hands. Tomorrow, definitely, I will give you a chance. Please raise your hand tomorrow also. I have noted down the names who have recited today. So let us try and give others a chance tomorrow. You can raise your hand definitely, but I will try to give preference to those who have not chanted even once in class. So please practice, and tomorrow we will ensure that we have some time left after we learn the new lines so that you can all chant again. Many of you are asking for a meaning webinar. We will definitely discuss internally in Vyoma and try to fulfill that also. But in this webinar, we will only be learning reciting, and hopefully in these 9 days, we will be able to perfect reciting this Gadyam. Link of the audio recordings. I think audio recordings are also available on the portal. If not, I will check. Video recordings are definitely available on YouTube also. So I will do one thing. After today's class, I will send you an email with the link to the portal and the YouTube playlist so that you all can access the recordings from there. So let us conclude as usual with the last shloka and Shanti Mantraha. कवितार्किक सिंहाय कल्याण गुणशालिने श्रीमते वेंकटेशाय वेदांत गुरवे नमः। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादाः. Thank you very much for attending, and thank you to our panelists also for assisting us. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Chaturvadane punar milamah shvah. Tomorrow 4 p.m. Indian time we will meet. Dhanyavadaha. Ram Ram Ram.